SBEV Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Splash Beverage Stock, I mean, from a first glance, 14% gains is cool, but Splash Beverage is just not volatile enough. I mean, even today, volume-wise, I think like it was it enough? Yeah, it was 19 million compared to the average 4. So we already kind of almost 5x'd it. But it's not something to kind of brag about purely because of the point that this is still a bearish market. So how's that gonna look like? Like this. Boom. My previous prediction is still gonna be the same. What this means is that if I see a double break, then and only then I'm going to take things lower. And if I don't, then I'm just not going to force it. You know, like the only thing that would make me be bullish and shift my lens on this is if it actually starts breaking above 31 cents. But we're not nowhere near that. So I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.